Hey guys, Freddy Boy here. I'm posting an update video. I've been posting a lot of these update videos, and I've also been posting a lot of streams. That's only because I don't really have much content that I can be putting out right now, because I'm working on the Friday Night Funkin' video. Because that video is basically taking me and IDK, what to name this, a lot of time, because we're switching up some of the cast, we're adding new people, we're deleting a few people from the cast, we're making the songs. Yes, originally I wasn't going to add songs, but now we're actually making some cool beats for the characters. And what I need to say is that two things in this update video. One, I'm going to be posting a lot of more update videos and streams, because I can't really be making any animations, because that will take me off of the stuff that I'm already working on. Because if I'm working on, and I'll only be making like animation videos for something very small or a holiday, like just a test animation or just something that I find funny and I just wanted to post it real quick. So don't expect any bigger animations coming out soon until the Friday Night Funkin' video is out. From what I'm understanding, it will take at least, I'm not sure, like I think at the most one or 1.5 months at most. And actually no, that's a lie. 1.5 or 2 months, I think at most. If it's delayed, I'm so sorry. Me and IDK, what to name this, are trying to do as much as we can to work on the video. And since we're adding, did I already mention the songs part? I'm not sure. But and also because I'm gonna be doing 2 videos, I think, on Friday Night Funkin'. I don't know if I'm gonna do it for sure, but since we've cut out a lot of the cast that we were originally gonna put in and added new cast, there's less of haha funny fan members, and there's more just like actual characters that we thought would make sense for the story, because we're actually gonna make a story for this. So I might be making 2 videos, one that's actually the main one, which I'm currently working on right now, and like with actual story, with new characters, fresh faces. Well, mostly fresh faces. There's gonna be like Freddy, obviously, and then for the second video that I'm not sure if I'll make, but I might make it. It will be of just like mostly fans and maybe a few original characters, if I can fit a few in. But if I do make a second video, don't count on it though, because I'm not even sure. So for the first video, I'm looking at a month to a month and a half to 2 months. That's the most that I think it will take. Since me and IDK, what to name this, are putting a lot of effort trying to make it look good, we're putting in backgrounds, which I usually don't have in my videos. Excuse my brother. Excuse my brother, he's being annoying as hell. So anyway, since we're adding all these new tracks, all of these new things, it's going to be taking a lot of time, so we have to do this. We're trying to do it as fast as we can, but we don't want to rush it and at the point that isn't looking good. So, that's mostly it. I just want to tell you that we're trying to put as much time and effort as we can. We're putting in songs, we're putting original characters, and we're putting in a lot of, we're adding a lot of, like, stuff that, like, Easter eggs and stuff like that. We're trying to make this video the best video that we can, because usually, actually, almost never, I make a video that it takes me a long time, and I do put a lot of effort in all my videos, but this one I'm going to be putting double the effort, because usually I don't put as much effort, because it's usually just a haha funny video. But this video is going to be taking a long time for us to do. And also, me and IDK, what's the name is, I think we might be doing it week by week, or we might do it as one full thing. I'm not sure if you guys want it week by week, or if you guys want it, full thing. We'll see what we can do. I think I'll try to go for the full thing instead of week by week, because it's supposed to be a story, and that would make way more sense. So then you don't have to watch it back. So then you don't have to watch separate videos back to back. You can just watch all the videos together at the same time. So I think we're gonna go for one big video. So yeah, that's what I need to say. I hope you guys have a good day today. I know it's currently nighttime, and hope you guys having a good day. Bye. See ya.